Hi there, Tony. It's Marcy. I spoke to you earlier in regards to bringing in more business and shooting you this custom video. And I do know that you're looking for workers, not more business, but this is what I do to show businesses. What I do is I show them in case there's a time in the future that you maybe want to increase volume, then you'll know how, because this video will show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do that would bring more customers to your business. Now you probably ask yourself, why do I do this for business owners? You know, what's in it for me? The answer to that is when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it could actually work to their benefit. And a lot of times the only hesitation that they have in hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, look, I don't have time for that. How about you do it for me? So this is the kind of stuff I'm going to go over. I'm going to keep it brief. I realize that, you got a lot on your plate and you're busy. But the 3 things that really affect your visibility online are content, citations, and backlinks. So by content, what I'm referring to is the information, the words, the images that you have on your homepage. That's how Google knows what it is that you do. See, their end of it is when somebody searches for your service, what they want to do is they want to offer up the most relevant results. And the only way they can do that is by what it's telling them on your website. And of course they can't see the bots or robots or whatever the heck they can't see, they read. So for an example, I'm going to take this because you really don't have a lot of words on there. If I take this picture and I was to save it, you can see down here RS equals W. That's what Google's reading. So it's not telling them what it is that you do. Beautiful pictures, by the way, beautiful work. This is awesome for potential customers, but the deal is that the customers have to have your site put in front of them first. So if there were to come a time that you'd want to add business, you'd want to have all these, these pictures are great, but if every single one of them, kitchen renovation, bathroom renovation, home renovation, bathroom remodel, thinking of all the things that people will potentially type in there, that's missed opportunities by not having your pictures named with keywords that are relevant and of course in the area. Now that was something else that I noticed in regards to your site, which is going to kind of be a detriment too of being found, and maybe it's just me, but it doesn't appear to me that anywhere on the site does it really give location. So Google going out there and crawling, they're not going to know, where. So they always work on location based. When somebody's searching, then they know from their IP address where they are, and that's why when they go out and crawl the web to provide the proper, results to what it is they're looking for, location is important. So that might be something that you may want to consider adding just for those purposes. So second thing, citations. What a citation is it is a place where you would find on the internet your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So your map listing is a citation. 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp listing, all that kind of stuff. So the more places that your business is cited, that lends credibility to, it lets Google know that you're legit because you're listed in all these business directories. But the second place where it helps you is to be presented higher, to be put higher in the search for this map section. Now, the statistics show that probably 50% of the clicks are going to the 3 on the first page are going to any one of these 3 businesses. So being up in this map section is a really great place to be. And it's just a matter of beating out your competitors, having your business listed in more directories than them. And then the third thing is backlinks. Backlinks are the power behind showing up on the first page of the results. What I did was I took this business here, which is showing up on the first page for the search term home renovations, and I put him into the same tool as I'm going to put your site into so we can see what's going on behind the scenes. And to explain a backlink in simplest terms, what a backlink is it is a link to your site from a third-party site on the internet. And how that benefits you, if you look at the internet, think of it as a big popularity contest. So when other sites on the net vote for you, aka link to you, that is going to in turn push you up in the search results. Google sees you as the popular one. So this site is showing me that you have 4 other websites on the internet that are linking back to your website, giving you 9 backlinks, that you're being found for 1 organic keyword. My guess is this is going to be your business name. Yep. And so you can see why the content is so important, and it can't read any of those, what those pictures are about. So unfortunately, organically, nobody is finding your site. So I'm going to take it to that one that is in the #1 position. You can kind of see how this works. And when it comes to links, I should say, not all backlinks are created equal. So it's not a matter of sheer volume. Go out there and get more, and you're going to be on the top of the heap. Quality is always going to win over quantity. So you want to have links coming from sites on the web that are trusted by Google, that they've been on the internet for a while, they're relevant to what it is that you do. They're going to pack a lot more punch. So this site here that was showing up on the first page of the search there has 194 other websites on the internet linking back to theirs. They're being found for just about 500 organic keywords, and they're getting about 700 visitors clicking on their site each month. And you know, that's purely really from showing up there on the first page. So people don't have to go far. People don't typically go much further than the first page when they're searching. So hopefully that's been a little interesting to you, Tony, and just understanding how that all works. I'm going to email this off to you, and I'll probably follow up just to make sure that you did in fact receive it. And if you have any questions, happy to answer them, and just like to hear your feedback. So I hope you're having a good day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.